Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Backbone controller drift. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having this problem here, there are going to be a few things that you could try here to probably solve this issue. So typically speaking, if you're having this problem, you could just access your settings here and do a recalibration. In order for you to do that, you need to go and access your settings, and under settings you want to go to controller and you want to go and choose the option here that says calibrate joystick. Now from then on, you want to go and just follow the on-screen steps here to start the calibration. So in this case, it should show you how to calibrate your left joystick here and do such things. But just in case this does not work, this might be a problem with your device itself. So especially if you still have a warranty on your device, well, in this case, you can ask for a replacement. So what you could do here is you want to go to the official website, which is backbone.com, and you want to go and click on support at the top here, and you want to go and click on get help. Now from here on, you want to go and choose which issue you're having here. So maybe I want to select Backbone 1 controller questions. And from here on, just fill out all the necessary details. That includes your email, your name, your country, and the subject for it. Now, also describe the issue you're encountering here, and you could also mention that you want to have a in this case, have this fix for them, or you can have it as this case. If I'm not mistaken, you can ask for a refund for this one, just in case, or you could even just visit the actual store where you bought it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.